going to be taking a look at the all-new Google Messenger app, an app that many people would question its existence, but nonetheless, we're going to dive into it and see what it's all about. So upon booting up the Messenger app, we'll see that it takes you directly to your text messages or SMS messages. To put it simply, this app is just like any other stock OEM Messenger app that holds all of your text messaging conversations. That's really it. Its main purpose is to make all the people who don't like Hangouts to feel at home, and it was created specifically for the launch of the Nexus 6 and Android 5.0 Lollipop. So with that said, this is Google Messenger. It's plain and simple, and of course incorporates the all-new material design. So if we tap on the conversation, we can have the option to write a message down below along with attach a file, either a video or a picture, and you can actually take a live picture and send it right from this app itself, which is pretty darn handy. Or you can select a picture from your gallery, and in addition, you can add voice messages just by tapping and holding the microphone icon, and it'll automatically send. So that is certainly very useful. Now in the upper right-hand corner, you have the option to call the person you are messaging, which is always a nice option to have. Glad to see Google put it in there. The settings icon next to that allows you to go to people and options, where you can basically choose to block or customize the notification alert style of this person. You can also search, archive, and delete various messages. And then there's also an option to get some help and send some feedback so that Google can improve this app if something isn't working right. If we head back to the main page, we have the option to compose a new message and to select the person we want to contact, either by looking through frequent contacts or all contacts. Or, we can always dial the person's number in the upper right-hand corner or search for the person's name using the keyboard, of course. One thing that's really important though when using this app is to make sure that this app is defaulted as the main SMS app, which you can do in the settings. It might be currently defaulted for Hangouts or some other messaging app you might have, but if you want to start using this Messenger app, you will definitely need to make Google Messenger the defaulted SMS app. So definitely make sure you do that. But this is really the gist of what this app consists of. Obviously, there's really not much here, and that's just because it's meant to make the non-Hangout user feel much more at home and less confused. Really, that is the only reason this app exists. Personally, I'm going to continue to use Hangouts as my main SMS app of choice, but if you don't talk to people via Hangouts, then I could see why you might just want a standalone SMS messaging application. But let me know if you plan on using this application for your SMS messages, or if you're still going to stick with Hangouts or maybe some other messaging application. Definitely let me know what your thoughts are by leaving me a comment down below, or by tweeting me at BoHD on Twitter. The app, you'll have to agree to the privacy policy and terms of contract. You also agree to letting Duo periodically send your contacts to Google. Then, if you're running Android Marshmallow or newer, you'll have to allow Duo to take pictures and record video, allow Duo to record audio, allow Duo to access your contacts, and allow Duo to send and view SMS messages. Then you will need to verify your phone number, which is how your contacts will video call you. Google will send you a one-time SMS message, and it will automatically confirm your phone number, which is pretty cool. But once the setup is done, you'll be presented with the remarkably simple UI. In the settings, you can enable vibrate while ringing and limit mobile data usage. You can also enable knock knock, a feature that lets you see who's calling and what they are doing before you answer the call. Below that, you'll have an option to unregister your phone number, view blocked numbers, and read terms and privacy information. If you tap on video call, you'll see a list of your contacts where you can start a video call with somebody already using Duo or invite somebody to start using Duo. Chances are you'll probably have to invite some of your friends because the app is so new. Now, how are the video calls? In my testing, I was able to communicate with my friends without any major issues.
Knock knock is a pretty unique feature. I want to say it makes me want to answer my phone more often than I do, knowing what my friends are doing, but I don't know if that's completely true. Also, while a Wi-Fi connection is ideal, a mobile connection works well too. I'm using Verizon's 4G LTE service.
I will note that when I had the occasional connection issue, the call would just pause. It didn't end or drop like a traditional phone call would do. You will see in the lower left-hand corner, there's an option to mute the call and switch between your front and rear-facing cameras. There's also a circular view of what the person you are talking with sees. The big red phone icon intuitively lets you cancel the call. So there you have it, Google Duo. Once again, the app works for iOS and Android. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Duo and whether or not you think it has what it takes to replace your current video calling app of choice. With that said, as always, I'm BoHD from PhoneDog.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.